Hey there, we're going over the business profile today. So on the left side of the screen, we'll scroll all the way to the bottom and we'll click on settings, which will bring us to the business profile setting. We'll ask for all of this information in the beginning, but make sure to go in and verify it and make sure everything looks right. For authorized representative, if you don't want to be the one representing this account, then you can assign it to someone else and put in their contact information. One thing that I'd highly recommend is to turn on verify email address. What this is going to do, especially if you have an email list that you haven't reached out to in a while, before we send out the first email, it's going to verify that the email is still valid. If your email is not valid, it's not going to send out the marketing email to that person, which is good. We don't want to send out marketing emails to bad emails. That is it for the business profile. Next, we're going to go over the personal profile.